Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download presets to Lightroom in your phone. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap on to search and type the presets to Lightroom and search for it. Now here you can find the presets to Lightroom. Here, this one is the option. Now tap on it. Now to download the app, simply tap on to get. Then the phone will ask for your confirmation. Now confirm it. Then wait for a few seconds and the app will be installed. Now you can see the app has been downloaded. Simply tap on to open the app. Now you can see the app has also opened. Now you can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Lightroom on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.